Okay, everybody, I got these 3 new NASCAR trucks at Walmart. It was $15 each. Really cool. There's Kyle Busch, 18 M&Ms, the new Tony Stewart 14 car off the depot, and the Dale Earnhardt Jr. AMP 88. Really cool models. Good roll free. Yellow. I like the yellow. Yellow's really cool color. Red. This thing's really cool. Dale Earnhardt Jr. truck. 88. Really cool. And there are the boxes they came in. All 3 of these cost $45 altogether. It's a really good deal. At least I think, anyways. And that's it.